Welcome students. I am Satish Kumar Sinha, physics teacher from Gyan Niketan Girls School. Today we are going to discuss the topic solenoid. A long cylindrical coil consisting of a large number of turns of an insulated copper wire is called a solenoid. It looks like a helical spring. Generally, an insulated wire is coiled over a non-conducting hollow cylindrical tube. An iron bar is placed inside the hollow tube. This iron bar is called the core, and when the current is passed through a solenoid, a magnetic field gets developed around it. Now next topic is magnetic field due to a solenoid. Before we explain the magnetic field due to a solenoid, first you know about clock rule. The end of a solenoid at which current flows in an anti-clockwise direction acts as a north pole, while the ends at which the current flows in a clockwise direction it acts as a south pole. This rule is called clock rule. Now this figure shows the magnetic field due to a current carrying solenoid, which is similar to the magnetic field produced by a bar magnet. In this figure, the magnetic field lines inside the solenoid are in the form of parallel straight lines. This indicates that the strength of magnetic field is the same at all the points inside the solenoid. The magnetic field is uniform and strong inside the solenoid. The one end of the current carrying solenoid behaves like a north pole, whereas the other as south pole. When a current carrying solenoid is freely suspended, it will align itself in the north-south direction. Also, a current carrying solenoid acquires the attractive property of a magnet. Thus, a current carrying solenoid behaves like a bar magnet. Now, what are the factors which affects the strength of magnetic field produced by a current carrying solenoid? The magnetic field can be increased by increasing the number of turns of the solenoid. That is, it depends on the numbers of turns of the solenoid. The magnetic field can also be increased by increasing the strength of current in the solenoid. That is, magnetic field produced by the current carrying solenoid is directly proportional to the strength of current passing through the solenoid. The magnetic field can be increased if a soft iron core is placed along the axis of solenoid. Now next topic is electromagnet. An electromagnet can be made if a soft iron core is placed inside a current carrying solenoid. It is based on the magnetic effect of electric current. An electromagnet shows magnetic properties as long as current flows through the solenoid, and as the current is switched off, it loses its magnetic properties. Thus, we can say that electromagnets are temporary magnets. Generally, soft iron is used for making the core of an electromagnet because it can be easily magnetized and demagnetized. Here in this figure, we can show that how can we make a electromagnet. Here we take a coil and the Two end terminals of the coil is connected with a battery and key. Now when the soft iron core is placed inside the current carrying solenoid, the one end of the soft iron core or bar behaves like a south pole and the other end behaves like a north pole. Thus, it behaves like a bar magnet. Now, what are the ways to increase the strength of magnetic field of an electromagnet? We can increase the strength of electromagnet by increasing the numbers of turns of the coil. Second is we can increase the strength of electromagnet by increasing the strength of current passing through the solenoid. Third one is it can be increased by keeping the air gap between the poles of an electromagnet. And third, by placing the soft iron core material inside the solenoid. That is, it also depends on the nature of the core material. What are the uses of electromagnets? Electromagnets are used in making an electric wheel. Electromagnets are used in electric cranes to lift heavy loads. Electromagnets are also used by the eye specialist for removing the iron splinters from our eyes. Electromagnets are used in telephone receivers, microphones, electric motor, generator, loudspeaker, etc. Thank you.